What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at ESR's case lineup for the brand new Galaxy S23 Ultra, as well as some rear camera lens protectors. I've used the clear case with this kickstand feature from my iPhone 14 Pro Max, and it is absolutely amazing. Now ESR makes a whole bunch of really cool cases and accessories for the brand new Galaxy S23 Ultra, as well as a lot of other phones, and I will be putting a link to their website in case you guys want to check those out. And one of the coolest features that I've seen that ESR was one of the first ones to come out with is the kickstand feature, where it's built into the camera lens protector, so it doesn't add any extra bulk to the phone. So you're definitely going to want to stick around to check out some of these cases, and I will be putting links in the description in case you guys want to pick up any of these cases and accessories yourself. I will also be putting a discount code in the video description so you guys can save 10% off your purchase. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products with reviews to you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. And then here we have ESR's rear camera tempered glass lens protectors. So you get a little plastic tool here to take up the lens protectors once you've put them on. We get an installation packet and one set of screen protectors. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to take your installation wipes, and we're going to thoroughly clean off the camera lenses as well as the areas around the lenses, because that's what the lens protectors are going to stick to. So we're going to take our wet wipe, then like I said, clean off the lenses and around the lenses. Then take your dry wipe and you can dry off the area and the lenses. And then just make sure there's no dust around. If there happens to be, you can use your dust stickers to just kind of get rid of the dust that you see. Then all you need to do is firmly press this whole piece over the camera lenses. You can easily just line them up. Make sure they fit over the camera lenses. And then just press it in place. Then once you're done with that, all you need to do is simply pull up on the camera lens piece here. And you're all set. So that's what the camera lens protectors look like. They pretty much don't hardly add any extra bulk to your camera lenses. That's what they look like from the side. As you can see, there's just that little lip underneath that you can take that tool to pry these up if you need to. But it pretty much looks like it's supposed to be there. I absolutely love that. They're crystal clear, so you shouldn't have any problems taking photos. So we'll test out our camera here. As you can see, it looks crystal clear. I don't see any problems even using the macro camera. Looks very nice. And then we can test out how fast the focus is. Super fast. No problems there. Even reads the QR codes perfectly fine. There's that 10x zoom. That's insane. And the wide angle. So now let's put our phone into one of ESR's cases. As you can see, the back cutout here is perfectly made for your camera lenses. And as you can see, it fits like a glove. Perfect. There's no lifting or anything like that. And as you can see, the little raised edge is still protecting your camera lens as well. So if you're looking for some really nice camera lens protectors, ESR's got some really nice ones as well. So here we have the Krystec Clear Case. And here is the case itself. It's got a nice hard backing with some rigid edges, and it's also got some pretty cool properties as well. This clear case offers a 1-year guarantee of total yellowing resistance, which rivals Apple's official clear case. It also has a special micro coating that's applied to resist sweat and dirt. It's got shock-absorbing air guard corners to ensure the test-certified protection against drops and bumps. And it's also nice and light. So let's put our phone inside the case here. Very nice case. It is grippy, buttons, nice and clicky, very easily accessible. You can press them very easily. Very nice. Feels nice in the hand as well. If we look at the side here, as you can see, it's got a raised edge on the top and the bottom of the case to protect your screen. We have our little lanyard cutout on the side. On the other side here, as you can see, we have our power button and volume rockers. On the bottom, we have our cutout for our S Pen, our speaker, and our charging port. You can very easily access the S Pen as well. On the back, it shows off the color of your phone very nicely. As far as fingerprints goes, it seems to do a pretty good job at rejecting fingerprints, and the few that do get by, you can very easily wipe those away without any problems. And on the back here, as you can see, it's got a nice recession to protect your camera lenses as well. This case is also military grade drop tested, so you know if you happen to drop it, it's going to be protected. And if we look in the corners there, you can see that they are definitely reinforced. They're a lot thicker than the other portions of the case. And if you're wondering if it works with wireless charging, no problems there either. ESR makes some really nice cases, and they do offer some really nice protection, and that's why I trust my phone with these cases. And then here we have the Air Shield Boost Kickstand case. So here we have the case itself. It does have a nice hard backing surrounded by a nice rubbery type material. It does have a fully adjustable aluminum kickstand that's stable at any angle between 30 and 60 degrees for the perfect hands-free viewing. Very easily opens up just like that. And as you can see, it's nice and stiff, so it doesn't just flop around like some of the other case kickstands do. And it easily folds back into place with a click. You can use the case vertically and horizontally, and it's perfect for completely freeing hands while video calling or watching TV shows. The hinge of this kickstand has also been lab tested to retain its strength after more than 3,000 uses. It's also got military grade protection with shock absorbing air guard corners that ensures test certified protection against drops and bumps. Very nice in the hand. It is nice and grippy. And again, those buttons are easily accessible and clicky. Very nice. If we look at the side here, it doesn't really add a lot of bulk to the phone. It just has a little bump where that kickstand is. As you can see, it's got a raised edge on the top and the bottom of the case for screen protection. And as you can see, those little air guard bumpers in the corners. On the other side here, we have our power button and our volume rockers. On the bottom, we have our cutout for our S Pen, speaker port, and charging port. On the back, it's got that nice clear backing to show off the color of your phone. It also has a nice recession to protect those camera lenses as well. And as far as fingerprints goes, minimal fingerprints again, and the little that there are, you can easily just wipe away. I absolutely love the fact that this kickstand is here. It is a very solid metal, very sturdy, and that allows you to watch maybe some Netflix or YouTube, and you can even stand it upright in case you want to take a call or just have your phone facing you. And if you're wondering if you can still wirelessly charge with the case on, no problems there. I absolutely love these kickstand cases, especially if you're at work or something and you're on lunch and you don't have a TV to watch. You can easily just pop out this kickstand and watch whatever on your phone. It's a really nice case, and I'm going to give it a thumbs up. And then here we have the classic kickstand case. Now this is one of the cases that I was talking to you about earlier. This case integrates the kickstand where the camera lens protector is, so it doesn't add any extra bulk to the phone, but it adds functionality. This kickstand is made of a zinc alloy and has been tested to retain its strength after more than 3,000 uses. It also has shock absorbing air guards in each one of the corners to ensure test certified protection against drops and bumps as well. The kickstand has also been tested to withstand 3,000 uses. It's got a nice matte back so it doesn't pick up any fingerprints, and it's surrounded by a nice soft rubber. So there it is on our phone. It's not slippery, feels really nice in the hand. The buttons, easily accessible and clicky. Very nice. If we look at the side, as you can see, it doesn't add any bulk to the phone. It also has the raised edges on the top and the bottom of the case. There's your lanyard hole and those shock absorbing corners you can see. Very nice. On the other side, as you can see, we have our power button and our volume rockers. On the bottom, we have our cutout for our S Pen, our speaker port, and our charging port. You can very easily access your S Pen without any problems. There's that frosted back, looks really nice. Again, doesn't pick up any fingerprints, which is awesome. Here we have that nice solid camera ring that protects your camera lenses with a deep recession, and that kickstand I was telling you about pops open just like that. And as you can see, it is super strong. It's not just flopping around like some of the other kickstands do. ESR definitely does it right when it comes to these kickstands. So as you can see, it kind of unfolds like that, and now you can watch stuff in landscape, or you can even have it kind of angled up towards you in portrait mode. You could also probably stand it upside down if you wanted to for a full portrait mode look. And then you can just push it back down and it kind of clips into place. You can definitely know that that's not going to just pop out. Very nice case. I absolutely love these kickstand cases. And if you're wondering if it works with wireless charging, no problems there either. So if you want a really nice case that offers you protection, allows you to show off the color of your phone, and gives you that added kickstand feature, I would definitely recommend taking a look at this case, and I'm going to give it a thumbs up. And then here we have ESR's Shock Armor kickstand case. It's got a two-piece design as well as that kickstand. So these two pieces come labeled to help you install them with your phone. This number 1 is what you're going to put over the top of your phone. Then once you do that, we're going to put it inside of the outer case. Then you're going to take this inner ring, making sure that the power button and the volume rocker cutouts are on the right hand side. We're going to place it over your phone and just push it into place. Then you're going to take the outer portion of the case and you're going to put this whole thing inside of that piece. Just like that. And then we're going to press the sides in so everything's nice and flush. And there you go. So now you know that your phone is definitely covered 360 degrees. And even if you happen to drop this case, the phone is definitely not going to just pop out. Now this case also has the shock absorbing air guard corners that ensures the test certified protection against drops and bumps again. And on the back, it's got that durable zinc alloy kickstand, and the hinge has been tested to retain its strength even after more than 3,000 uses. Feels very nice in the hand. Buttons are clicky, easily accessible. Very nice. If we look at the side, as you can see, it just adds a little bit of bulk. But again, this is probably the most protected case. As you can see, we have a little lanyard hole, and we have those shock absorbing corners, as you can see. We have a little raised edge on the top and the bottom of the phone to protect your screen. On the side here, as you can see, we have our power button and our volume rockers, which are separated. I absolutely love that. On the bottom, we have our cutout for our S Pen, speaker port, and our charging port is covered, so it'll keep all the dust and grime out. And you can easily access your S Pen without any issues there either. And then if we look at the back, as you can see, it's got a nice clear backing that is nice and rigid, and it shows off the color of your phone. As far as fingerprints goes, very minimal fingerprints, so that's really nice, and the little that there are you can easily just wipe away. And again, it's got that really nice kickstand. As you can see, it's a pretty normal camera bump, and they just included a kickstand with it. It's got a nice deep recession to protect your camera lenses. And then if you want to pop out the kickstand, just pull it up just like that. And now you can watch some Netflix or YouTube, or you can even take a Zoom call or something like that. And again, you can also flip it upside down and have it stand totally upright. And as you can see, it's not flimsy either. The case is not going to just fall down. And then if you want to put it back into place, just push it down and you're all set. I wish all cases would include a kickstand like this. It is so cool. And if you're wondering about wireless charging, no problems there either. So if you want the best protection for your phone that also offers the convenience of a built-in kickstand, I would definitely recommend taking a look at the Shock Armor Kickstand case, and I would definitely give this case a thumbs up. So that was ESR's case lineup and rear camera lens protectors for the brand new Galaxy S23 Ultra. Again, I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick up any of these cases and the accessories yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.